Hi, I'm Mischa. I'm going to be singing Hallowe'en, which is a poem written by Violet Jacob about her son who died at the Battle of the Somme. It's put to music by Jim Reed. The tatty liftins nearly through, their pluin war the barley grew, and after dark ruined ilka stack, you'll see the horsemen stand and crack. Oh, Lachlan, but I mind on you. I mind fu aften we hae seen 10,000 stars keek doon atween the naked branches and below, baith firm and bothy hae their show. Allo we lick so Halloween. There's bairns wi' geysers at their tail, cloorin' the doors wi' run so kail, and you'll hear the screech and skirls o' lassies wi' their drooked curls, bobbin' for apples I the pail. The bothy fire is loupin' heat, and you heed horsemen's kist is set, ricked o'er the lawnmoor by the blaze, the old yin stood that kept your clays. I canna thole to see it yet, but gin the old folks' tales are richt, and geese came hame on Hallows nicht, oh friends, what would I gie to feel your hand, your axe to me, atween the dark and coral licht. Awa in France across the wave, the wee licks burn on ilka grave, and you and me their lows hae seen. You'll maybe hae your Hallowe'en, yont warrior lying wi' the lave. There's drink and daff and sang and dance, and ploys and kisses get their chance, but Lachlan, man, the place I see is where the old kist used to be, and the licks o' Hallowe'en in France, and the licks o' Hallowe'en